Welcome to the part 5 of this tutorial. In this part, we're going to create the inside chip of the USB. First, select the front face of our USB body. And then create a rectangle by 7.8 and 1 units. And then fillet the rectangle by 0.3 radius only on the sub-corners. Change to home view. And extrude the rectangle around 9 units. Change to top view and select the top face, just in case we're drawing on the wrong side. And then create a rectangle by 0.7 and 9 units. Next, move this rectangle by this corner to 1 unit from this edge. And please ignore those glitches because that's just my graphics problem. Copy that rectangle. Select Array. Input 4 arrays. And then input 1.7 units as second point. So it makes something like this. And next, press pull those new rectangles downwards. Select multiple, select the rectangles, and input 0.1. And now, select the layer tool and create another layer, and you can name it as you please. And also change the color to whatever you like. In my case, I choose yellow. And then change that new layer as the current layer. And then extrude the array rectangles downwards by 0.1 units. And now do you see the color differences? Next, it's time to move the insides to the inside of our USB. Change to the front view, select the insides, and then move it by the submit point to the shell submit point. And for one last touch, let's continue to the next part of this tutorial.